Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In the previous lessons, we covered greetings and common phrases. Now, let's delve into the world of numbers, from 0 to 20. Pronunciation basics. Before we start, a quick reminder to visit our Patreon page patreon.com for free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, and early access to videos. Numbers 0 to 12. Null, 0, eins, 1, zwei, 2, drei, 3, wir, 4, fünf, 5, sechs, 6, sieben, 7, acht, 8, neun, 9, zehn, 10, elf, 11, zwölf, 12. Pronunciation tips. Note the pronunciation changes in certain situations, like s at the end of a word or after the last vowel. The German v sounds like the English f, as in fünf, 5. Umlaut, represented by 2 dots on vowels, affects pronunciation. For example, zwölf, 12. Numbers 13 to 20. From Dreisen 13 to Neunzehn 19. Follow the pattern of adding the units to Zen 10. An exception is zwanzig 20, which introduces a new set of numbers. Special cases. Siebzehn becomes siebzehn to ease pronunciation. Achtzehn follows a similar pattern. Mobile number example. To express your mobile number formally or informally, use phrases like mein Handynummer ist, my mobile number is. Example, 0177. Summary. Recap from null, 0 to zwanzig, 20. Practice and download worksheets from our Patreon page patreon.com. Next steps. Stay tuned for our next video covering numbers beyond 20. Subscribe, like, and share if you found this helpful. Auf Wiedersehen.